The fact remains that today technology is also enabling doctors to access product knowledge, access latest trials, access what it is at their own time, at their own spare time. So they don't need a medical rep to come and tell them base information that as earlier times. Or they don't need a product manager to come and talk to them through features of a product. I'm not seeing that need any longer to that extent. Yes, the field guy is creating share of voice, and therefore in a branded generic market sometimes they create value by making the brand more visible or being talked about or reminded about. So but that's a different story. To me, what technology is doing is totally different. What technology is doing is filling in a very important gap. And where are the gaps today? And ultimately we should look at all gaps from the point of view, are we adding value to the patient or not? And that value to the patient, that if you have to add, will come through two, three things that a professional can do. Basically, there is support system that a patient requires at times. So let's say in a diabetes patient, it could be counseling. In an oncology patient, it could be different kind of counseling. Yeah. So there is a counseling need at times. Yeah. In certain cases, it is use, how to use a product or how to use a drug, when to take the drug. So, for example, if you have to check your blood sugar, if you have to be demonstrated on how to use your insulin pen. So there is certain use related support that technology can help. Yeah. So that is the other story of the help that is required. But the third story that technology can do really is for the doctor to make it more engaging and useful. How do we create a system by which we are able to create access to the doctor to use cases, to information, to interaction with other doctors, to bring in different stakeholders at the same time? Suppose you need a diagnostic and a device and let's say a counselor at the same stage, all three of them together with the doctor to talk to the patient. How can you get them all together? It is so much and so far easier with technology today. Therefore, you can add value to the patient substantially.